Good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this pot here, it's a vegetables for vegetable pie. It's 3 cups of water, 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of sliced onion, and 1 cup of celery, 1 cup of cubed potato, and half a cup of cubed turnip. And I have to cook it until the vegetable is tender. While waiting for the vegetable to cook, I will make a sauce for vegetable pie. I have here 3 tablespoons of margarine, and 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 instant vegetable stock mix, about half a teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of pepper, parsley flakes about 1 teaspoon, and 1.5 cup of milk, stir in milk until mixture boils and thickens. Now the vegetables are tender. I will add 1 cup of frozen peas, and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Drain this liquid here in the sink. And pour the sauce in the vegetables and mix it. And I have this crust that I make a while ago. This is a whole wheat pie crust. Boiled eggs on top. About 6 boiled eggs. And then cover with another pie crust. Put it in the oven for 35 minutes, 400 degrees. Put it in the oven now. My vegetable pie here is ready, and I wanna have a slice for my lunch. And here's my big piece. Thank you guys for watching my video. You have a nice day. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and share.